Today, we're thrilled to delve into an exciting topic, the fascinating world of drones. Whether you're a seasoned pilot or simply a curious observer, we're positive you'll find this information both intriguing and enlightening. Let's start off by exploring the inner workings of a drone. At its core, a drone is essentially a flying computer. Its primary mission: to follow instructions at high speed. The way it achieves this is by spinning its motors at lightning-fast speeds, which generates lift and propels the drone through the air. This allows it to navigate with ease, even in tough environments like windy conditions. Now, let's delve a little deeper into some advanced features that drones possess. One such feature is obstacle avoidance technology, which allows the drone to recognize and maneuver around obstacles in real time. It does this by using an array of sensors located around its body. These sensors serve as its eyes and ears, allowing it to see and feel its surroundings on a level that would be impossible for humans alone. However, with great power comes great responsibility, or in this case, potential hazards. One significant disadvantage of drones is their ability to malfunction if not operated correctly or when encountering unexpected situations like strong wind gusts. This can lead to safety risks or even complete system failure. It's crucial for operators to stay aware and vigilant when operating these machines to minimize any potential issues. And there you have it. A brief glimpse into the world of drones, their inner workings, advanced features, and potential drawbacks. We hope you found this information both engaging and informative. If you enjoyed this video and want more content like this in the future, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for regular updates on all things aviation related. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next one.